Good morning, guys. It's been a few days since I've posted a fishing report. I know I'm a little behind this morning, headed to work, but just figured I'd get on here and let you know a little bit of what's going on Lake Gaston. I've fished the last 2 afternoons, and I fished Friday afternoon and Thursday afternoon of last week. One thing that I have noticed, especially over the last 2 days, is the topwater bite is starting to get a lot better than it was in weeks prior. Monday afternoon it was 5-pound largemouth put in the boat, so it's the first largemouth that's been put in the boat since I've been at Lake Gaston over the last few weeks. But I've been more or less looking for big schools of spotted bass and fishing out off the bank, offshore and stuff. One thing I did notice Monday is in the Stonehouse area, we're starting to have a little lake turnover there. And of course, I went back yesterday afternoon, and it was a massive school of stripers. If you've been on Lake Gaston, you know there's a long flat at the mouth of Stonehouse, and I mean that thing was loaded with stripers up until yesterday. When I got into that area yesterday, all the stripers had moved off the flat and got out in the main lake and suspended, and it's probably because of the lake turnover. There's still a few fish there, but it wasn't nowhere near what it was Monday or Friday or last Thursday. But I haven't seen it anywhere else on the lake, but I'm sure it's going on somewhere. I mean, you see the little bubbles coming up and all that slimy looking stuff floating on top of the water. So been catching a lot of fish on drop shot and top water and dragging a Carolina rig. Had good numbers of fish yesterday. Probably put around 20 in the boat. No big ones. Had a couple decent ones. Felt like pull off that never seen. But no, man, that's about it. Fishing should start to get better as the fall goes. Got these cool mornings. This morning's 57 degrees on the way to work, so it's just going to continue to make things better. Fished the BFL Super Tournament over the weekend. I am going to, post a video about that, of how that went down and what I did and all. And then this coming up weekend, got the 5 Alive 2-day on bugs, which it's been off limits. It's been off limits this whole week, and is going to be. I'm not going to be able to practice Friday, so not really going in the blind, but pretty much going in the blind. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.